Hey everybody, Ryan here from SWICKtech. Today I want to show you how to share your screen in a meeting or in a call in Microsoft Teams. So here I am in the meeting lobby, and it's just going to be a meeting with me. So I'm going to go ahead and join now. And here we are in the meeting. So if you want to share your screen, if you're presenting to someone on your team, just go ahead to the upper right-hand corner, and you see this icon right here. It says Share Content. You can also hit Control-Shift-E. Go ahead and click that. And here are all of the different options. These are all windows open on my computer. I can either choose to share an entire screen from my computer, or just an open app, or an open Excel spreadsheet, or an open PowerPoint, or whatever you'd like to share. One important thing to note, that if you do want to share like a video and you want to share the sound, there's this little toggle switch right here that you want to click on or off to include the sound. Now, I do want to, for this demonstration, include some sound, and I want to share this web page, this tutorial videos page from our website. All right, so here's that page from our website, and I know that I'm sharing this page because it's got this red box around it. That means that everybody else in the meeting can see what I'm seeing. So if I wanted to play one of these videos, everybody else in the room can now hear and see the video that I'm sharing. All right, that's all I have for you guys today. Good luck and enjoy sharing your screen in meetings and calls in Microsoft Teams.